someone casually walked through a parking lot filled with school buses and shot out the windshields. More than a dozen Marietta City school buses were damaged.
Fox 5's Denise Dillon has video of the person who police are looking for tonight.
When employees showed up this morning for the school day, they found a number of buses with at least one bullet hole in the windshield, and cameras captured the person who did it.
What you can see on the video is this individual who appears to be an adult female using her left hand, using that and pointing a gun and shooting it intentionally at the windshields of the buses.
Windows of about 15 Marietta City Schools buses shot. Investigators found pellets inside some of the buses.
In almost every case, multiple shots were fired into the windshield of each bus. A few other windows were damaged.
The video shows someone casually walking through the bus lot Monday night around 9. Not in a hurry at all. Not trying to hide their face.
It's a well-lit parking lot on a well-traveled road, so this was a brazen, intentional act to vandalize so many different buses.
With more than a dozen buses out of commission, Cobb County Schools loaned Marietta some buses to pick up students this morning. School officials and police are just thankful no one was hurt.
This happened after hours. There were no children in the area. There was never a danger to the public. But this is certainly a brazen act to go out and damage so many different school buses, and to what end?
Police say once they figure out who the shooter is, that person faces charges of criminal damage to property and damage to government property. If you know anything about the shootings, give police a call. In Marietta, Denise Dillon, Fox 5 News.